Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm heading back to Dubai from Tbilisi, and I'll be doing the fly Dubai review from Tbilisi to Dubai, because I thought that's a much better review instead of doing from Dubai to Tbilisi. So I'm heading right now to the gate. Hope you enjoy the video. So guys, I went to Georgia for a 3-night stay and I really enjoyed myself. I'll be posting a video soon of the tour of Georgia as well as the hotel in which I stayed in. So right now I'm doing the Fly Dubai review, as you all know, and there were only two options I had. So it was either Fly Dubai or Air Arabia, as these are the only two airlines which flies direct to Tbilisi from the United Arab Emirates. So I chose Fly Dubai as I had previously taken Air Arabia, and so I thought, why not try a new airline? So Fly Dubai is a good airline. It had a good offer for children, and so my parents decided that we'll go for it. And Georgia is a beautiful place to stay. It has an amazing visa policy as well. Almost every nationality can go there without a visa, or at least a visa on arrival, and that is also is free of cost. So Fly Dubai is an amazing airline. It had amazing crew and I really enjoyed myself. And of course in this video you will see why I really enjoyed it, the benefits and some few drawbacks which I had in this flight. So as you can see here, this is the business class. It was an excellent leather seat business class. The first row of economy, which is with the extra legroom, and I was sitting in the fourth row of economy. And as you can see here, this is the view from outside. Now this is the IFE screen which you just saw. I'll just be showing you the tray table right now. It has a nice blue color finish inside. And obviously this is the safety card. Fly Dubai also has its own menu. I took the veg fajita wrap and it was amazing. It was 15 dirhams, maybe slightly expensive, but the prices were okay. And the wrap was really amazing. It was really tasty. 5 dirhams for juice, and water also slightly costly, but that's fine, that's expected. It's actually slightly cheaper than compared to other airline prices. And as you can see, this is a negative for Fly Dubai, pen marks and drawings on the back. Fly Dubai also offered Wi-Fi, and it was slightly expensive when compared to other airlines, not that expensive, and its Wi-Fi isn't that great. This is what I've learned, but I didn't go for the Wi-Fi, but it is available. Now this is the magazine. Once again, the price is expensive. So guys, right now I'll be showing you the legroom. Now remember, this seat does not have obviously the extra legroom. This is the standard seat which you get. So that's the amount of legroom you have, and it's a good amount actually. I am 175 centimeters, so the legroom is quite good. So I'm sure anybody around 190 centimeters would also be fine here. IFE still wasn't working for my seat, and actually for the whole row it wasn't working.
الأكسجين والسترات النجاة كما نهدب لكم وضعية الانحناء التي يتعين عليكم اللجوء إليها عند سماعكم سليما. Brace. You found safety cards in your seat pocket indicating the exit route, oxygen mask and life jacket. To so strong those positions that defeat brace. Exit. يوجد من مخرج الطوارئ بابان في مخرج المقصورة 4 نوافذ الطائرة يوصلها بابان في مقدمتها. كما يستشرق أضواء تأذية الطائرة إلى أحد هذه المخارج. يشملكم أخذ الوقت كيفية تحديد موقع أقرب مخارج الطوارئ إليكم، وأن تذكروا أن أقرب مخرج قد يقع خلفكم مباشرة. في حال اضطرار استخدام سلاقات النجاة لا قدر الله ذلك، يتعين عليكم خلع جميع الأحياء ذات الكعب العالي وترك جميع أمتعة لدعم الطائرة. There are 8 emergency exits. 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 window exits in the center of the cabin, and 2 doors at the front of the cabin. Floor level lighting will guide you to an exit. Please take time to locate your nearest exit and remember that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use an escape slide, remove all high-heel shoes and leave all hand baggage on board seatbelts. يمكنكم ربط أحزمة المقاعد يمكنكم ربط أحزمة المقاعد تعزلها وفتحها بهذه الطريقة كما يتعين إبقائها مربوطة.
So guys, I went to the back of the plane and found an IFE system which actually works. As you can see here, you can order your food and drinks via the IFE system. It's the same menu as what you get with the paper-based, which I showed you previously. So there's absolutely no difference, and when the flight attendants come around and ask you what you want, you can just tell them instead of actually ordering online. But this is a good feature which Fly2Buy has installed. The negative of this whole IFE system is it's not very responsive, and on this plane many IFE systems didn't work. Now this is a good feature for Fly2Buy, to have a map which shows you where you are, how much time you have left, the altitude, your ground speed, the outside temperature, estimated time to arrival, etc. So it's a very good map. You can see the neighboring cities and where you are. Like currently we are flying over Iran. So guys, as you can see here, the basic pack is at 15 and the premium pack is at 35. Once again, the screen is not very responsive. So guys, right now I'm sitting at the exit row of the plane, as you can see here in the arrow. And as you all know, the exit row has plenty of legroom, as you can see here. Now this will be perfect for a long flight, like suppose from Dubai to Vienna, which Fly2Buy flies. So this will be perfect for that, but you have to pay 200 ed to be able to get this seat. Moving on, we have the bathroom, and the bathroom of Fly2Buy was well, it was okay because the cleanliness wise it wasn't that great, and so was the space. But for a budget airline, once again, it was fine. So now that we are approaching Dubai, I can talk to you about the money or the price I paid. So from Dubai to Tbilisi and Tbilisi back to Dubai, I paid around 4,120 for my whole family. But later realized I hadn't paid for checked luggage, so I had to pay an extra price. This is a warning or a tip for you guys. Be careful when you book for a flight to Dubai or Air Arabia or any other Belgian airlines, because we bought the promo fare, and the problem with promo fare is you don't pay for your luggage. Now I don't know what kind of system this is, but nowadays budget airlines, they work on this system. So remember to click the middle option, which usually contains the baggage or the luggage you have paid for. So make sure when you book a ticket, it says that you have paid for your luggage. I guess that other than that, we never had any problem with flight Dubai. We had excellent crew. The service was very good. The food which I had was the vegetable fajita as well, the one that was absolutely amazing. And yeah, and so is the terminal. The Dubai Terminal 2 of Flight Dubai is actually very good, but when I say good, I mean the arrivals terminal. The departure terminal was quite chaotic and very small. Nothing compared to Emirates Terminal. Just landed, and I would like to say that both the landings of Dubai to Tbilisi and Tbilisi back to Dubai were extremely smooth. So well done, pilots. Another negative which I forgot to mention previously was that Flight Dubai have extremely dirty windows, especially the flight from Dubai to Tbilisi. That was one of the main reasons why I didn't want to record. I thought the flight back would be at least much cleaner, but I was wrong. So this is one negative Flight Dubai has to look into. I've gone to many previous airlines. I've gone by Qatar Airways, I've gone by Emirates, I've gone by British Airways, and even Indigo, which is an Indian budget airline, and all of those windows were very clean. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoy. The only two negatives for Flight Dubai in this flight was that the windows were dirty and the IFE systems for many seats weren't working. Now this is the business class. I hope that one day I would try it out, make a review, and show you guys how the business class of Flight Dubai is. So the crew was really amazing, the flight attendant, the pilots, the service of Flight Dubai was really amazing, and of course the food. Right now we are boarding a bus which will take us directly to the entrance of Terminal 2. As you all know, the Flight Dubai don't have any gates, or shall I say gates, sorry. So they don't have gates which go directly to the airport. We have to go by bus, and then the bus will take us to the airport. So right now I'll just show you a small clip of the terminal. So guys, as you can see, this is the terminal. Please subscribe and please turn on the notification because I'll be posting 2 more videos of my Georgian trip. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.